Repair Clinic makes fixing things easy, with millions of replacement parts available on our website and the help you need to do the repair yourself. Since we encourage you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the oven door switch in your electric range, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Confirm that you can easily access the rear of the range, then open the oven door and use a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the screws, securing the control panel's lower cover. Remove the cover. Next, unthread the two screws securing the control panel to the frame. Detach the control panel and support it to avoid straining the wires. Now unthread the front bracket screws securing the main top. Unthread the two screws underneath the rear corners of the top. Pull the main top back and up to remove, then set it aside. Using the Phillips head screwdriver, unthread the two screws securing the lower rear access panel. Lift the panel up and out to remove. Unthread the three screws to release the left side stop bracket. Repeat to detach the right side bracket. Now lift the upper rear access panel up to remove. For easier access to the door switch, unthread the two screws securing the element support panel to the right side panel. Unthread the four remaining screws securing the side panel. Now use a flathead screwdriver to depress the retaining tab at the rear, and you can fully detach the panel. Remove the insulating cover. You can now disconnect the door switch wire connector. Depress the retaining tabs and push the door switch free of the bracket. Pull the actuator rod out of the hole in the front panel and detach the old switch from the rod. Install the new oven door switch by hooking it onto the actuator rod. Then feed the rod through the hole in the front panel and snap the switch into place on the bracket. Connect the wire connector. Reposition the insulating cover. Reinstall the side panel by aligning the frame tabs with the slots on the front of the panel. Then snap the panel into position. Secure it with the screws. Replace the screws securing the element support panel to the side panel. Reinstall the upper rear access panel by hooking it onto the tabs. Realign the two stop brackets and thread the screws to hold them in place. Reinstall the lower access panel by inserting the tabs in the slots first. Lower the panel and secure it with the screws. Reposition the main top by sliding the rear edge under the lip of the element support panel, then lower the front edge. Replace all of the screws to secure. Realign the control panel on the front brackets. Secure it with the screws. Replace the lower cover, then thread the screws to secure. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and the electric range should be ready for use. At Repair Clinic, we make fixing things easy. Thank you for supporting the production of these videos by purchasing your parts from our website.